And good Sunday morning coming to you from the IndianaWeatherOnline.com Weather Center, bringing you an update as we are watching what could be a potentially major severe weather outbreak this afternoon into this evening, along with the possibility of significant flooding across portions of the area. First off, taking a look at our current weather map. Basically, a warm front is currently draped across the state of Indiana. You can see that slicing basically just south of I-70. That the warm front's going to continue to move to the north, and we're going to see a very warm and unstable air mass developing across Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, and Kentucky by this afternoon and this evening. These two low pressure systems back here to the west, those will track to the northeast, and that'll bring this area of severe thunderstorms into Indiana as we head into the evening and overnight hours. Our current outlook from the Storm Prediction Center shows nearly the entire state of Indiana and all of western Ohio under a slight risk for severe thunderstorms. Back down here across portions of southwestern Indiana into portions of Illinois, Missouri, Arkansas, and Kentucky, we have a moderate risk. I would not be surprised to see that moderate risk extended farther to the north. Flood watches in effect for the entire state of Indiana, all of western Ohio, as we're expecting several inches of rainfall as we head into the overnight hours. That, combined with snow melting, will create the potential for flooding problems, and we'll be monitoring that for you very closely throughout the overnight hours. So we take a look at our forecast models, simulated radar reflectivity for the overnight hours. You can see basically here at midnight we're looking for the potential for widespread showers and thunderstorms, including embedded supercells, the possibility of strong and severe thunderstorms, large hail, damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and very heavy rainfall with this first round of thunderstorms tonight. As we head into the day tomorrow, this is mid-morning, pretty much right around the 10, 11 o'clock a.m. hour. We're going to be watching a cold front that's going to be swinging through, and ahead of this cold front we got a squall line that develops. Could be looking at a second round of severe weather, heavy rainfall, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. The IndianaWeatherOnline.com severe weather risk for today has basically what I would call a moderate risk of severe weather from Indianapolis south and west. If you're in southern or southwestern Indiana, all the way up towards the Indianapolis metropolitan area, as we head into this evening, you need to be alert for what could be a dangerous severe weather outbreak. Strong severe thunderstorms, large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. Basically south of the Bloomington area, down towards Evansville, Vincennes, Bedford, Martinsville, Bloomington. Those areas could be looking at the potential for strong to violent tornadoes. Farther up to the north in this yellow area, still a risk of severe thunderstorms. Looks like they'll be scattered, not quite as numerous, maybe not quite as strong, but still looking at the threat of large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes pretty much anywhere south of I-80. Taking a look at our projected rainfall totals, anywhere in this red color right here, we're looking at 2.5 inches of rain possible as we head into the overnight hours. Farther to the south, down towards Evansville, 2 inches, and back towards the west, only 1.5 inches. But most of the state's going to be in that 2.5 inch range, and combined with 6 to 8 inches of snow on the ground that has plenty of moisture in it, flooding could definitely become a problem. We're going to be monitoring the situation for you throughout the day. Make sure you keep it here on IndianaWeatherOnline.com. DarkCountyWeather.com and GrandLakeWeather.com will be providing you with updates, video updates, and even real-time live weathercasts as we head into the afternoon and the severe weather situation starts to unfold.